Ready to turn your passion into profit? Payhip is your one-stop platform to sell digital products, memberships, and even physical goods. And here's exactly how to get started in just a few minutes. First, head to payhip.com and sign up for a free account. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard. This is your command center for everything. Click on products, then add new product here. You'll choose what you're selling: a digital file like an ebook, a subscription, a coaching service, or a physical item. Now craft a compelling title and description that highlights the value of your product. Upload your file or product images, set a price, and choose your sales tax settings. When you're happy with your listing, hit that publish button. Your product is now live and ready for the world to purchase. Your free Payhip storefront is automatically created. You can share this link everywhere, or use the built-in marketing tools to create discount codes and affiliate programs to boost sales. As sales roll in, manage everything from the sales tab, track orders, fulfill digital downloads instantly, and see your earnings ready for payout to your PayPal or bank account. So stop waiting, set up your Payhip store today, and start monetizing your creativity for a global audience. Thanks for watching.